Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for all your support. This is a really quick video. I wanted to quickly share it with you. It's actually quite spontaneous. I'm currently dealing with onions, and I thought I'll come and show you guys a quick video or what I've been doing to get back my edges. If you have watched my last video about my edges, you will see that it was worse than it is. Listen, my edge was bad. I had nothing all over here. It was all gone. But I have been doing this for a month now, and this is an update. I thought I'd show you guys what I've really accomplished since that time. So what it is just onion juice or water or whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's dripping for edges, like to get your edges back, and obviously hair growth in general. So I wanted to show you guys real quick how I use this. So this is what I do. I cut off the onions, and as you can see, there's just so much juice, like so much water in it. Like, can you see that? Yeah, go ahead and take a bit, and I start rubbing on my edges like this. I normally do these if I know that I'm gonna do a wash day, the day or the next day, because yes, it does smell, but I cover my hair to go to bed, so it does not really worry me. So I go ahead and I take the juice like this, and I rub it vigorously on my edges, on the white bit as well on this side. As you can see, I go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and massage it in like so. If I need more, I'm just gonna go ahead and press it in and get it all out. Or sometimes I'll just like cut it so that I can get the juice come out a little bit more. Like this, and that's it pretty much. That's all I do. Obviously I'm still doing my rice water challenge. That video is going to come up soon. Look out for it. But yeah, this is all I do pretty much. And my hair has grown tremendously. Like, a lot of growth has come back, because I had the craziest postpartum shedding. All of these places were gone. But now look how much hair I have got there. This is right around 4 weeks worth of growth. Obviously the edges, it takes a while to grow. But yeah, that's it. I wanted to come and show you guys real quick. If you're struggling with that, this is your best friend. You can use organic onion or any one of your choice. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my videos. It's a new year. I have so many things stocked up that I'm going to share with you guys. But yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.